Is Tubebuddy worth getting when you have a small channel in 2019? In this video, I'm going to show you the different options that you have of pricing for Tubebuddy and which option I have chosen to go with and I'm using currently to grow my YouTube channel and get more views. Now remember, if you are a small YouTube channel, if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, we have a special offer for you where you can get 50% off using the coupon Rising Star Buddy. I'll leave this for you in the description below. You can click on the link and head over to Tubebuddy and enter this coupon. Once you're here, just click on this, I have less than 1,000 subscribers, and it'll give you the 50% off. And you can use the coupon Rising Star Buddy, which I'll leave for you in the description. That's going to give you a discount of 50% on the Pro license to get you started. So it's normally $9 a month if you select the 50% off. If you're less than 1,000 subscribers, you can then get it for $4.50. The Star, which is the most popular package, is $19 a month. We currently use the Star package and it's really helping us grow our YouTube channel. Then there is the Legend at $49. That's for the professionals who really want to take it to the max. We are very happy with the Star bundle that we're currently using. Let's have a look at what you get for the Pro, Star, and Legend. Now remember, there is a free option of Tubebuddy if that's what you want to use while you're getting started. But if you grow past that 1,000 subscriber mark, then you no longer get the 50% discount. That's why I think it's quite nice when you're still a small channel to take advantage of the 50% discount that we're offering. Now to have a quick comparison on what you get for the free and all the paid versions, you get the upload checklist, the quick edit toolbar, the quick links menu, notification commenting, the emoji picker, and the advanced video embed. So that's included in all the packages that Tubebuddy offers. Then there's the video topic planner, the thumbnail generator, the playlist actions, default uploads, comment filters, and canned responses. This is all limited under the free option, and the Pro, Star, and Legend get full access to these features. Then we get into the real cool parts, which is the end screen templates and the card templates. We use these a lot when we're doing our uploading and working on our videos. Then there's the sunset video, schedule video update, schedule publish, publish to Facebook, and comment spotlight. Now these aren't included in the Pro version, which is the $4.50 at your 50% discount, but they are included in the Star and the Legend options. The only thing that you don't get with the Star is the comment spotlight, which is only on the Legend license. Then the bulk processing tools, you don't get access to any of these under free or Pro, but you get them under the Star license. That's one of the main reasons why we've chosen the Star license. Once you start building up your library of videos, we had about 150 videos now. These bulk processing tools are so handy. So you can add bulk changes to videos and it just saves you so much time once you've got a lot of videos on your channel. If you're just starting out and you're new, you don't need all of these features because you won't have a lot of videos on your channel. And then the SEO tools, this is where you are really going to make your money back for the cost of using Tubebuddy. This will help you. The Keyword Explorer is our favorite tool, and the Search Explorer. They also give you suggested tags with the tags list, and a tag sorter and a search ranking, which is really nice to have a look at to see if the keywords that you are targeting are getting ranked in search. Now, the Keyword Explorer tool will be your money maker. So make sure that once you've got Tubebuddy, you're really using this tool to its full effect. We'll put a link in the top right-hand side here for you where we have a video explaining how we use the Keyword Explorer to find profitable keywords to make videos on. Then we get into the search rankings, best practice audit, opportunity finder, video A/B testing, which is really interesting, but this is only on the Legend license. Then let's go down to the promotional tools. Now you get access to all of these on all of the licenses, including free. So that's not a differentiator. And then the data and research tools. So you can social monitor real-time sub counts, which is cool to look at. Your demonetization audit if videos do get demonetized. Your channel analytics, your channel valuation, which is quite interesting to watch as you grow your channel. Your health report, which we use a lot to check on how our channel is doing. Channel backup, which is really cool to have so you don't ever lose any of your data. Brand alerts, we use this on the star, but it is limited. And then the retention analyzer, export comments, competitor upload alerts, competitor scorecard, and channel access is all on the legend accounts and not on any of the others. Then there are a few member perks that you can get. So you get the Tubebuddy mobile, which is the mobile app that we use, and you get it for free rather than having to pay for it. Audio Hero, which is 250,000 premium royalty-free music tracks, we get for free. You can get a channel strategy consultation, but that is at a discounted rate. You can save $100 there. Then there's Collab Space, which is a really cool place to collaborate with other creators, and you get 1 year free. Tuber Tools, you get free access to these, which are really cool for you to use for your channel. Duke Deck, you get for free. Epidemic Sound, you get 25% off. We use Epidemic Sound on our channel. And then the 3Play Media, you get a $2 minimum. And then YouTube Starter Kit from Roberto Blake. So I'm sure a lot of you know who Roberto is, and you get 50% of his assets for free, which is really cool. And YouTube Stock, you get 50% off. So you can select the Pro or the Star or the Legend, depending on what you want. Come and have a look and make sure if you are a small creator, you get access to this 50%. And get started on Tubebuddy right now to help you get more views on your YouTube channel and start building your online audience. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and it helped you, please hit that like button. If you have any questions about Tubebuddy or which license you should go with, let us know in the comment section below and we'll be there to help you out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.